Dear children, we are in exercise 2.5 of chapter number 2, that is polynomial. Question goes like this. Question 6. Write the following cube in expanded form. We have seen the identities and hopefully by now you have learnt the identities also. Let me tell you the first question. Solution. First, 2x plus 1 whole cube. Since we know the identity, since x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube, expand. This is factorized form and we are writing the expanded form. Left hand side is factorized form, right hand side is the expanded form. X cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Now here x is equal to 2x and y is equal to 1. X cube means what? 2x whole cube. Y cube means 1 cube plus 3 into x square means 2x square. 3 into x square means 2x whole square. Y means 1 plus 3. X means 2x and y means 1 square. Expanded from x cube, y cube, 3 x square, y plus 3x y square. So what is the cube? What is the cube of 2? 2 cube is 8. 8x cube, 1 cube is 1. 2 square is 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 1 is 12. 12x square plus 3 2 is 6. 6 1 is 6. 6x. This is the expanded form of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Let us see the last question. Suppose because that is a minus. I'll do this question for you. X minus 2 by 3y whole cube. Now what identity will be used here? Since x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. This is the expanded form of this. Now here x is equal to x only, but y is equal to what? 2 by 3y. Now expanded form, let's write on x cube means x cube minus y cube means 2 by 3y whole cube minus 3x square into y means 2 by 3y plus 3. X means x only, y means 2 upon 3y whole square. Now x cube is x cube minus 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27y cube. This and this got cancelled. Minus 2x square y. Now this is 2 square is 4. 4 3 is 12 upon 3 square is 9 xy square. Now here something will get cancelled. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. So it will be x cube minus 8 by 27y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3xy square. This is the expanded form of x minus 2 by 3y cube. Did you understand, dear children? So both the form I have told you. So dear children, the next question, question number 7 of exercise 2.5 is evaluate the following using suitable identities. First one is 99 cube, second was 102 cube and third one is 998 cube. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. 998 can be written as 1000 minus 2. Let us see here. Solution for the first one. 99 cube. It can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. When it is there, which identity will be used? X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. Right? Now x is equal to 100, y is equal to 1. Let us write down this one. X cube means 100 cube, then 1 cube minus 3 into x means 100, y means 100 minus 1. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros minus 1. 1 cube is 1, that is 300 into 99. Come on, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1. When you multiply it will be 2 zeros here, 3 9s are 27, 2 carry 3 9s are 27, 28, 29. Now 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus minus is plus minus 2, 9, 7, 0, 1. Now subtract it. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus this is 1, 0, 7, 9, 2. Cancel it. Here it is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 9 here. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. And this is 9. So answer is 970299 is the answer of 99 cube. Like that 102 you can write down 100 plus 2. So their identity will be used x plus y whole cube. Right? And 998 same identity will be used, that in place of 100 it will be 1000 minus 2. Hopefully you can do that question. Dear children, we are now in question number 8 of exercise 2.5. We have to factorize. I have selected out of 5 these 2 questions we have selected. One is all plus and another one is minus 1. So factorize means you have to bring in bracket. Expansion means this is expanded form. Let us see the first question. Solution. First, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. 8a means 2a whole square, whole cube. B cube means obviously b cube plus 3 into 2a square means 4 and b means b. So this is 4 3 is 12, a square b plus 3, a means 2a, b square means b square. Now since x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square is equal to what? X plus y whole cube. This is, I have written, this is in fact written here and I have to write down. So x is equal to what? 2a and y is equal to what? b. So a cube, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So in place of this you are going to write this, that is you have to write down x plus y, 2a plus b whole cube. If you wish you can write down it 3 times, that is bracket, bracket means factorized. Did you understand that? So you have to first write down the identity and according to identity you have to match. This is this, this is this, now this is this, it is like that. This you separate it like that and bring it like that. This you separate it like that and match it with this, and all this is matching with this. In place of this we are writing this, that means we are writing this. This seems to be little complicated but it is not. So what it will be? 27 means 3p whole cube, that means x we have got it, minus 1 by 6 whole cube. 1 cube is 1, 6 cube is equal to this, minus, okay, first I am writing down the identities. X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Here x is equal to 3p, b is equal to 1 by 6. Now this is matching, this is matching, minus 3. X square means what? X square means 3p whole square. 3 square is 9 and y is 1 by 6. This got cancelled, this and this, if we cancel it will be 2. 9 by 2 p square. It is matching, this is matching with this. Plus 3. X means what? 3p. Y means what? 1 by 4. 1 by 6 whole square. So this is 3. 6 means 6 square is 36. 9 4s are 36. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This is matching. In place of this, we are writing what? X minus y whole cube. X minus y 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. That means if you wish, you can write down 3 times 1 by 6 1 time, 3p minus 1 by 6 2 times, 3p minus 1 by 6 3 times. This is the factorized form of 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p.